Alright guys, so I have my baking pans already out. We got some chocolate chip cookie dough. Ain't nobody got time for the homemade cookies. Nobody got time. We got some snowman cookies. Christmas cookies. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Ashton and Asia. We are back with another video on Christmas Eve. Another video on Christmas Eve. And we are about to bake cookies for Santa. Y'all ready to bake cookies?
Yes.
Introduce yourselves. What's your name? What's your name, brother?
Bobby.
What's your name?
Ashton.
What's your name?
Bucci.
What's your name?
Bryson. Quincy.
Hey, and we got your boy.
You already know what it was, huh?
Alright y'all, we're about to jump into this video and go ahead and let the kids go ahead and put the cookies on the trays. As we showed y'all, we got the snowman cookies and the Christmas tree cookies. Y'all ready? Everybody done wash their hands. Go ahead, come on. Go ahead and put the cookies on the tray, y'all.
Santa.
You gotta break my part. Spread out, y'all.
There.
Of course, you get on the end over there.
There.
Poppy, get the chair.
Hey, there. There. Not slow.
Here.
Have to do it a little. I was you. That was you. I'll beat you.
That's from the top, get some. Watch your arm.
Cookies.
You gotta break my part.
Grab this tray. Yeah. Yeah.
Like all together. It's gonna get bigger.
Oh. I didn't put them bigger.
You gotta space my part. You got it? Good job.
Like that.
Get some more.
Santa got cookies. He gonna eat all these cookies?
Get some more over there.
No. Is Santa gonna eat all these cookies?
No, we're gonna eat some and then we're gonna save some for Santa and leave out some milk.
Okay. There's more. Yeah. Santa.
Stop, Ash.
I only got one. You're supposed to get one. Two. That. You can't put them close. They're gonna get bigger. I'm gonna space it a little like that. Yeah. Martin, crash it.
You gotta spread them out, son. Spread them out.
Any more? Nope. You ate all the cookies for Santa. You have the whole thing. Let's spread them out a little bit. Give me.
Say what's up. Say what's up to the gang.
What's up to that?
Hey, tell them what to do. And what else?
Subscribe.
And what else?
Video. Turn notifications. dirty again.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn all post notifications on so you guys know next time when we post.
They spread out, mommy.
Alright, you guys, we about to go ahead and pop these beautiful cookies into the oven.
Green.
Alright, you guys, so the cookies are out of the oven.
I want to go with her.
Mommy, get in the
They out of the oven. Get into the cookies. You heard them. Get into the cookies. Alright, y'all. So Santa Claus got his own plate. And everybody go ahead and put a cookie on the plate. Everybody put one cookie on the plate for Santa. Come on, Pop. Put your one up there. Alright, who's gonna pour the milk for Santa?
Me.
Sorry, Santa, we got good old 2% milk. Got a little dab left for you, sir. And Santa got his own little mug. Go ahead and pour that thing up. Mr. Q-Man. Alright, that's enough. Alright, y'all. Did you guys enjoy this video? You guys ready to eat some cookies? For real? Mariana, you look crazy. Honey, she got her hair washed and blow dried, so that's why she look like that. Honey, we about to go ahead and get it braided up. But, yeah. We about to go ahead and eat these cookies. Tell the subscribers what to do, y'all.
Go hit that like button and subscribe.
Hey.
Smash that like button.
Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below. Tell us how we did. Tell us how them cookies look, y'all. Santa, if you watching this, tell us how good they was, alright? Alright, y'all, say bye. See y'all. We about to go ahead and eat these cookies up. Oh, hold on, we got some money. We got some more money. Okay. Alright, so the first ones we're gonna do who didn't win and any of the challenges. So go ahead, Pop. Don't look, you gotta pick something.
$1. $1 beer. $1.
Close your eyes, you gotta pick one. Oh, that boy got $1. Alright, Ash, go ahead and pick something. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What you got? Oh! Okay, I got the big dumb piece. Show us subscribe.
$12.
Girl, that's 20.
I got $20.
Hey, alright.
$1.
Brady,
Bracelet.
close your eyes. Switch it around, get one out. And we got a $5. Alright, Mariana.
What? There's no more in there.
It is something there. Close your eyes, you gotta get it.
Booyah, 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 booyah. I want some.
Alright.
You gotta close your eyes.
Ooh, we got the 5-piece. Alright, y'all. We are checking out with another video. Make sure you guys like this video, comment on this video, and make sure you are subscribed to our channel, y'all. We just reached the 1K. Yay! Alright, y'all. Peace. Thank you guys for tuning in.